Hey guys, what's up? It's Stricken06 of Stricken06.com. So I just got an email from a viewer, and his email stated that he has a Jeep Wrangler, I think he said, and he recently put on a 4.5-inch lift, and every time he accelerates, the vehicle pulls to the right, and every time he lets go of the throttle, it jerks off to the left. He asked me what do I believe is the cause, and I had a similar issue in the Rogue where the lower control arm was loose after replacing it. I torqued it with it in the air. I made that mistake, and I didn't go back to recheck it when it was on the ground. And after driving it, it was doing the same symptoms. So I'm going to tell him to say that it is definitely suspension related, to leave the vehicle on the ground, on its wheels, grab your torque wrench, and then go around readjusting all the bolts that you can reach, specifically the control arms. If you guys have any tips or advice for my viewer, leave them in the comments section below. I'm hoping he's watching. I'm going to email him, let him know that I posted a video for his answer. And if you guys have any car-related questions, go ahead and send me an email. It's on my website, Stricken06.com. I'll link it below. And I'm pretty sure that this is suspension-related, considering he just replaced that suspension and now it's doing this. And to me, that sounds pretty common. When you shift the weight to the back, when you accelerate, there's going to be less load on the front suspension. And then when you let go of the throttle, the weight will distribute typically towards the front a little bit more and then balance itself out. And that will cause that opposite end shift. So again, if you guys have any advice for my buddy, leave it down below. Appreciate it. Thanks guys for watching, and send me your questions.